How to transfer USDT from Binance to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. This is one of the easiest ways that I am about to show you. You can do it on your mobile device as well. For this, simply open up the more options, then select this option of pay. Now here you would be able to find this option of send cash. Simply select it. After that, just type the amount that you want to receive in your bank account and the currency that you want to receive. Simply select that and type the amount, and after that you would also see the amount of USDT required for you to receive that much money in your bank account. Then select the different options that you will be getting to receive it in your bank account. Either you want a direct transfer or through another technology that is available in your country. Like in India, there are different technologies that are available for the users that they can use in order to receive the money in their bank account. Simply select one of them and then click on this option of top up, then provide some more details, then confirm the details, and after that you would receive the money in your bank account quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.